Hey everybody, thanks for watching. It really means a lot to me when you take the time out of your day to watch one of my videos. I do a little bit of everything here on this channel, everything from looking at old abandoned buildings, weather phenomenons, farming, and just about anything that falls in between. If you like what you see, hit the red subscribe button. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. That really means a lot to me. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.